Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on lock screen magazine in your Realme C51. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Realme C51 and you are wondering how to turn on lock screen magazine. We all know what is lock screen magazine. Lock screen magazine, like every time it's going to be appear new wallpaper in your lock screen, which is quite interesting. For example, if I go my phone lock screen, we'll see every time it's only appear single picture. You can easily turn on lock screen magazine, and that particular option it will going to give you every time new lock screen wallpaper. So anyway, if you want to turn on lock screen wallpaper, you need to click here Realme C51 settings section. After click over there, you scroll down and then you need to click here display. After click over display, you will find the screen appear just like this. You need to click here lock screen. After click over lock screen, to scroll down and then you will find there something say lock screen magazine, and then a screen going to appear. To simply turn this on, and after that if I go back and if I go jump over in my phone lock screen, we're going to see every time if I try to turn on my phone, every time there is going to appear new lock screen wallpaper, which is quite interesting. So within this simple way, you can easily change lock screen wallpaper in your Realme C51. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.